Hi, my name is Sumedh Inamdar. I work as a Director of Product Management at Qualys, and I take care of Qualys vulnerability management and identity security solutions. So I really like the idea of IPL Talentathon. So the main point here was the candidates had to actually get out of their comfort zone. Their domain may be manufacturing or enterprise software, but they had to think about a completely new e-commerce problem and then work on it from scratch, start with the business, come up with an execution plan and present to us in a very short amount of time with very few resources at hand, which is amazing. So product management is all about getting out of your comfort zone, learning new domains, learning new challenges every day, and then coming up with solutions that are creative and logical at the same time. And Talentathon gave them the chance to do this really well. So what I really loved about today's activity is candidates really prepared well. So they looked at a lot of data about Japanese e-commerce market. They looked at all the incumbent competition. They looked at fashion as a domain, prepared really well, and then squeezed all of that information into very short amount of time, which is 15 minutes, and then did really good impact on us. So my message to hiring managers, hiring product managers would be to look at IPL candidates very seriously. They cover all the foundational aspects of product management. Even if the candidates don't have prior product management experience, they take a lot of efforts. The lecturers are all professionals who are practitioners in the industry, not just theoretical cases, but they actually talk about real life cases. So it's a very enriching experience to go through IPL programs. So I would definitely recommend IPL candidates to all the hiring managers out there.